There are endless possibilities. Throw it at this crazy person.
I have a ball.
Throw it at this
but
man.
It's huge and not very bouncy. I need one more portable.
Throw it at this
Now,
red Ferrari.
small purple inflatable bouncy ball.
Throw it at yourself.
The benefits of the large bouncy ball, but only smaller and in a more compact thing. It's only this big. And if you're still not with us, we will throw in a special order of red Ferrari. Yeah! Get out of the way, steal my spotlight. Yeah, that's what I need if you want to steal my spotlight. So anyway, you get the small purple inflatable bouncy ball and the red Ferrari, all for just 21 easy payments of $25.99. See how low that is? Wow, that's low. That's a satisfied customer there. So anyway, get your small purple inflatable bouncy ball today. And featuring the red Ferrari. Thank you.